This is my dear friend Karina trying to
Make a snow angel.
make a snow angel.
Hey Mom, can you see this? Woo! That's a lot of snow.
Hurry up, my hands are freezing.
Okay, fine.
Oh my god, look at that little kid. How old is she, I wonder?
My friend's not deep.
I can't see a thing. I don't think your mom either.
Yeah, I tried. It's freezing.
Alright, do it again, somewhere else.
Oh,
Oh god, it's so cold I can't even speak.
are you recording my bum?
Excuse my shit documentary. It's freezing out here. Oh god. And I have to record this big fat baby elephant trying to make a snow angel.
Ready?
Yes! All ready to go. Oh, there she is. How sweet. How lovely. And there you go. A snow angel made on the snow. Woo! This is Karina. This is Kim recording from Thornton Place, the lobby, as you can see. BBC.